Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I've prepared a slide presentation on the topic matter from Unit 8. We have learned this topic before at school, before the school holiday. If you remember, I hope this video will help you to understand the topic better and you can do your own revision at home during the school holiday. Okay, matter. Everything that we come across in our life, like the air you inhale, the books you read, the water you drink, everything is made of matter. So in this topic, you actually learn about matter and its state. Okay, what is matter? Matter is any substance that has mass and occupies space. Please remember this definition. Okay, because it may help you to answer questions for paper 2 which need you to give definition of the matter. Okay, all living things and non-living things consist of matter. There are 3 states of matter that exist in our environment, which are solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, first we are going to study the properties of solid. Okay, the first property, solid has mass. Okay, so pepejal mempunyai jisim. Okay, uh, we can measure the mass of a solid using weighing scale or other weighing machine. Okay, and we use standard unit like kilograms, grams. Okay, and other standard unit for mass. Okay, second property of solid. Solid has fixed volume and filled space. Okay, pepejal mempunyai isi padu yang tetap dan memenuhi ruang. Okay, so this picture show you how to measure the volume for irregular shape object. Okay, such as stone or other irregular shape object. Okay, so you can see for the picture, the first picture, okay, the measuring cylinder show you the measurement of the water is 7 milliliter. Okay, after you put the stone into the measuring cylinder, the water rises 2 units. Okay, so 9 minus 7, okay, you can conclude that the volume of the stone is 2 milliliter. Okay, that's how you count the volume of irregular shape object. Okay, and you can see that the solid fills the space. Okay, so that's why, okay, the water rises from 7 milliliter to 9 milliliter. It shows that the stone has filled the place in the measuring cylinder. Okay, the third properties of solid. Okay, solid has fixed shape. Okay, it has fixed shape. Even though you put okay, you can see in the picture, in the green circle. Okay, even though you put the solid into the conical flask. Okay, conical flask tu ialah kelalang kon, yang bentuk kon. Okay. Okay, even though you put the solid into the conical flask, okay, it doesn't change the solid shape. Okay, it's still the original shape with this cube. Okay, next, solid cannot be compressed. Pepejal tidak boleh dimampatkan. Okay, it is because the molecular arrangement of the solid is very close to each other. Okay, so it will remain its original shape even though it is compressed. Okay, it will stay in the original shape. Now we are going to learn properties of water. Okay, the first property, water has mass. Air mempunyai jisim. Okay, jisim. Berat lah. Okay, so how to measure the mass of a liquid? Okay, first, okay, refer to the picture. Okay, first you have to measure the mass of beaker with liquid. Sorry, not beaker. Measure the mass of conical flask with liquid. Okay, ni nama dia conical flask, not beaker. Okay, so uh, the mass is 10 grams, and then you have to measure the mass of the conical flask without liquid. Okay, conical flask yang kosong. Okay, so in this picture we get 3 gram. So final, okay, we will get the mass of the actual mass of the liquid, which is 7 grams. Okay, 10 grams minus 3 grams, so we get 7 grams, the actual mass of the liquid. Okay. Okay, next properties of water. Water has fixed volume and fills the space. Okay, cair mempunyai isi padu dan memenuhi ruang. Okay, so as you can see from the picture, okay, the water is measured using the measuring cylinder using the standard unit of milliliter. Okay, do you know what is other standard unit for volume of water? Yes, liter. Okay, liter is also the standard unit of uh, water volume. Okay, and water fill the space. Okay, meanings if you add some water to the measuring cylinder, okay, the reading will increase. Okay. Okay, next, water has no fixed shape. Okay, cecair tidak mempunyai bentuk yang tetap. Okay, as you can see from the picture, water take the shape of the container. Okay, so it does not have fixed shape. Okay, but it has the fixed volume. Okay, no fixed shape but fixed volume. Okay, next, water cannot be compressed. Cecair tidak boleh dimampatkan. Okay, as you can see from the picture, if we compress the shrink, okay, the water will not flow out from the shrink, okay, because the molecular arrangement of the water is not too loose, okay, for them to be compressed, okay, unless you remove the stopper, okay, then the water can flow out from the syringe. Okay, we have already learned the properties of solid and water. Okay, now we are going to learn the properties of gas. Okay, the first property, gas has mass. Okay, you can see from the picture, okay, investigation to prove that gas has mass. Okay, in experiment A, okay, there are 2 balloons tied uh, at the 2 ends of the rod. Okay, and then we poke the blue balloon. What happened? Okay, the rod is not balanced anymore. Okay, because the orange balloon has still have a gas in it. Okay, so it is heavier than the blue balloon, which the gas already moved to the surrounding. Okay, so it proved that gas has mass. Properties of gas. Gas does not have fixed volume. Okay, as you can see in the picture, we cannot count the volume of the gas, okay, because it expands to fill the container. Not like solid and liquid, it has fixed volume. Okay, next properties of gas. Gas does not have fixed shape. Okay, why do gas does not have fixed shape? It is because the particles in a gas can move around one another freely. Okay, the gas particles will move in all directions and spread apart as they fill the container. Okay, so it will take the shape of the container. Okay, as we can see in the picture, okay, the gas will take the shape of the round balloon or the long balloon. Okay, look at this table. Okay, this table summarizes the properties of solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, solid has mass, solid has fixed volume and fill the space, solid has a fixed shape, solid cannot be compressed. Liquid, liquid has mass, liquid has fixed volume and fills the space. Liquid has no fixed shape but takes the form of a container. Liquid cannot be compressed. Next, gas. Gas has mass. Gas does not have a fixed volume but fills the space. Gas has no fixed shape but take the form of a container. Gas can be compressed. Okay, next topic for this unit is changes in state of matter. Okay, you have learned before this three state of matter. You have learned before this properties of matter. Okay, properties of solid, properties of liquid, and properties of gas. Okay, so water exists in three states. Okay, water can exist in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, ice, water, and water vapor. When water is heated and cooled, it will change to another form. Okay, water can change from one state of matter to another state of matter. Okay, water matter can change its state through the process of freezing, melting, boiling, evaporation, and condensation. Okay, now we look at how water changes from one state to another state. Okay, the first process is melting process. In melting process, ice, which is in solid state, changes into water when it is heated or receive heat. Next, boiling process or evaporation process. In boiling process or evaporation process, water changes to water vapor when it is heated or receive heat. Next, condensation. Condensation process happen when water vapor change into water when it is cooled or lost heat. Freezing process. Freezing process happen when water changes into ice when it is cooled or lost heat. What is the difference between boiling process and evaporation process? Okay, boiling process when water is heated or boiled into 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, while evaporation happen at any temperature, okay, usually happen at the surface of the water. Okay, and the water changes into water vapors in a slow process. Okay, compared to boiling process, the changes of state of matter uh, happen uh, in a very quick. So in this topic, we also learn about the formation of clouds and rains. Okay, the movement of water from the Earth's surface to the air from clouds and descends back to the Earth's surface as rain. Okay, this process is repetitive and is known as the natural water cycle. The formation of clouds and rain result from the process of changing in state of matter of water. The, the natural water cycle ensures that the quantity of water is always sustained on the Earth's surface through the formation of cloud and rains. These cycles involve the process of evaporation and the process of condensation. Okay, do you still remember the process of evaporation? What is evaporation? Evaporation is a process where water changes into water vapor. Okay, when it is being heated, usually heated by the sun. Okay, heated by the sun, and the process occurs very slowly. Okay, at the surface, the water surface. Okay, and condensation is the process where water vapor changes into water when it is cool. Okay, this is the diagram of natural water cycle. Okay, it involves four processes. Okay, the first process in A, heat from the sun causes the process of evaporation to take place. Water evaporates from the Earth's surface, such as land, oceans, rivers, and lakes, into water vapor. In B, water vapor that accumulates and cools will condense into fine water droplets and form clouds. Okay, condensation happen like when you example of what condensation process in your daily life is like when you have a cold water in a glass, you can see some water droplets outside the glass. Okay, it happen because water from the surrounding is cold, being cooled by the water in your glass. Okay, so that's how the water droplets come. Okay, not from the cool water inside the glass. Okay, so that is example of condensation process in your daily life. Okay, next in C, as the cloud rise higher in the sky, the cold air causes the water droplets to merge to become larger and heavier, which then fall back to the earth as rain. Okay. Next, D, rainwater is absorbed into the earth and flow back into lakes, rivers, and oceans. Okay, and the process is repetitive. Okay, it happens, it goes and goes and goes. Okay, to make sure that the uh, water in our earth sustain. Okay, to be used for animals, plants, and humans. Okay, to further understand about the natural water cycle, you can go to this YouTube link and watch the video. Okay, I think that's all for topic matter. Okay, you can refer to your textbook if you don't understand about anything. Okay, or you can ask me when the school is open next week. Okay, thank you. Bye.